Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a savings account with Citibank step by step clearly. Visit the official Citibank website. Look for the banking section on the homepage. Select savings accounts from the options available. Review the different savings account options to see which one suits your needs. Click on the Open Account button for your chosen account type. You will be redirected to the account application page. Begin by entering your personal information. Provide your full name as it appears on your identification. Enter your date of birth in the required format. Input your social security number or tax identification number. Fill in your contact information, including your email address and phone number. Next, enter your residential address, including city and state. Specify whether this address is permanent or temporary. You may be asked to provide your employment information. Fill in your occupation and the name of your employer. Once you've filled in all required fields, review the information for accuracy. Proceed by clicking on the Continue button. You will now be prompted to create your online account login credentials. Choose a username and a secure password. Make sure to follow Citibank's guidelines on password security. After setting up your login credentials, continue with the application. You may need to answer security questions for added protection. Review Citibank's terms and conditions carefully before agreeing. Check the box to consent to these terms. You might also encounter a section for optional account features. Consider adding features like overdraft protection or mobile banking. Proceed by clicking on the Submit Application button. Wait for the confirmation that Citibank has received your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.